Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the compact vertical post stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the half double crochet stitch, the front post half double crochet stitch, and the back post half double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 half double crochet into the third chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 half double crochet stitch into each chain across. So that's 1 half double crochet into the third chain from your hook, and then 1 half double crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. Into the first stitch of your row, make a regular half double crochet. Into the next one, we're going to make a back post half double crochet. Into the next stitch, make a regular half double crochet. Into the next stitch, make a back post half double crochet. Into the next stitch, make a regular half double crochet. Into the next stitch, make a back post half double crochet. You would now alternate between making regular half double crochets and back post half double crochets until you reach the end of your row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. Into the first stitch of your row, make a regular half double crochet. We're now going to continue making our vertical post stitch more pronounced. We used the back post half double crochet on our last row to start that post. We're now going to make a front post half double crochet stitch over that back post one from the last row. Work 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. Over the next back post double crochet from our last row, work a front post half double crochet over that one. Into the next stitch, make a regular half double crochet. Over the next back post half double crochet from our last row, work a front post half double crochet over that one. You would now alternate between making regular half double crochet stitches and front post half double crochet stitches until you reach the end of your row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the compact vertical post stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.